What time is it? It's time to snack. It's time for a movement snack. That's right, with all that brain work, it's time for a reset. Get ready to restore your energy and rev your brain up. Let's start moving. Miss AP here to help restore your energy. Before we begin, let's start with our warm-up by doing 2 forward folds. Standing your tall mountain, arms up, folding over, feeling that stretch, rolling up one last time, arms up, folding over, feeling that stretch, rolling back into your tall mountain. Nice job. Now that we have warmed up our bodies, we are ready to exercise. Today, we are going to continue to practice our burpee, and I have a few new moves to show you. We'll start in our ready position, feet apart, hands at our sides. We'll go into our squat position like we're going into our imaginary chair. We're going to come forward, hands on the floor. Instead of walking our feet out, we're going to jump our feet back. Jump our feet back in. Reset by standing. One last time into our squat position. Hands down, out on the ground. Kick your legs out. Kick them back in. Come all the way up. Reset your body and give yourself a big clap, clap. Nice job. Let's cool down by taking 2 deep breaths. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Great job. Wow, that was some awesome work. You just finished a 2-minute movement snack to restore your energy. Now get ready to jump back into learning. Remember to use the exercise snack we just finished to keep moving all day long.